that idiot? Where is Elizabeth? Who's here? Where is Elizabeth? Where is Elizabeth? I'm asking, where is she? Where is Elizabeth? Come outside. Come outside! Yeah? That is me. Oh, you're the woman. Bring her out.
Out.
Bring her outside.
Come on outside! I don't play with you. Hey, stop here.
Eh? How dare you beat an elderly woman? Go down. No,
Get down.
I said go down. Aye. Very good.
Paulina!
Now you cannot talk again. You can't talk,
Is
right?
she your mate?
Deal with the bastard. Go down, stupid thing.
Paulina, remember she's your sister.
Papa,
Go down.
does it look like I don't have retentive memory? You call this thing my sister? This nitwit?
What? On your nails?
Papa, because...
On your nails! Huh?
How dare you beat an elderly woman?
Is she your mate? Hi, your mate. Hi. Eh?
Very good.
Is she your mate?
Tell her to do frog jump.
Frog jump. I said do frog jump.
Do frog jump.
Frog jump.
Just look at what.
Quiet!
Frog
Paulina!
jump.
Paulina!
Madam, I said
That's why
quiet!
you should jump well. Oh. Jump well. Wow. Jump well.
Sister Paulina, please. I said still one. Frog jump.
Jump.
Frog jump.
It's not open leg for
Still one place.
Alaji.
No
Now you
move.
open leg. Now you cannot jump.
I said do frog jump. I said they do frog jump. If you shake. If you shake. Get up. I said get up. Get up.
Very good.
Get up. Big big. Big big.
Is it Oh, this is so great.
Come back. Come back here.
Think I'll take
My
this.
question here is, what is her offense?
Papa, we are not in a law court. Stop asking questions. Nobody is answering you.
Paulina!
Good.
Big big. I said big big.
Paulina, remember that this is your sister.
But you with my sister.
One hand.
Huh?
One hand.
Now you can give her.
I say one hand. One hand. Yes. If you don't you know what to do? One hand.
Think you joke with me? Close your leg. You think you are in the room with Alaji? You think you are in the room? Close your leg.
I say one hand.
Akuna gagas.
Are you okay?
Now you can
say
shout.
go down.
You used to.
Go down.
Mama, Biko.
Go
I'll
down.
flog you.
Please.
I don't want anybody to disturb me.
You flog my
Echuchuku
wife.
Yogi.
Quiet!
Then you flog all of us.
You're
Frog jump!
sorry.
Very good.
Sorry for who?
Very good.
Sorry for yourself.
Earring.
I said stand up.
Earring.
Stand up.
Earring.
Oh yeah, sit on the air.
Huh?
Sit on the air.
How?
I say sit on the air.
Ask soldier
Yes.
question.
Sit on the air. Where?
Where you go?
Yes.
Yeah.
Come here.
Come out.
Fine. Sit on the air. Come this side.
Yes.
Come this side. If you waste my time, if you waste my time.
I want you to sit down. Stand up. I want you to sit down.
Paulina.
Let her do frog jump again.
I want you to sit down. Oh yeah. Go down. On your knees.
Go down.
Oh yeah, sit on the air.
They say sit on the air. You're
Sit on the
vibrating.
Take it easy.
Eh?
Keep quiet. If I hear you, if I hear pim,
And they don't
if I hear pim,
you need to hear.
sit on the air.
Do they look like officers in your eyes?
Sit on the air.
These are soldiers.
Stretch your hand.
Very good.
Bend your waist. Go down.
See her looking like
Bend this waist.
expired
Bend this waist.
aeroplane.
Go down.
As they say you
Go
should
down.
bend your waist.
Go down. Go down.
Bend your waist.
Go down.
Go down.
I say go down.
Ngwa, keep jumping. Wow.
Jump one side.
Keep jumping. Let me. Hey! That's very good. Another one.
Now what are you doing?
Another one.
Hey! Paulina! Paulina! Woo!
See, are you okay? Look at this idiot.
Are you okay?
Very good.
Are you okay?
Very good.
Hey!
Flog her.
You need to
Balangida no be wako chow chow, no be wako. Kaki no be leather hot up, no be leather.
So, tell me,
Jesus.
what's that?
Babe, take a look at this.
God.
Why now? What is the meaning of this?
Just look at the way they just rubbished this woman.
Why? Who would have done? Why now? Why do this to her?
Anyway, if you ask me, I will tell you, do me, I do you. I think so.
This is so wrong. Hello, Caroline. What's up? Check your WhatsApp. Yes, check now. I just sent a video to you.
Why are you so concerned about the video? Is there anything wrong? It's a normal thing. It can happen to anyone. Okay?
Get them there. Eh? Put them together. What is it?
Ebere, what is it?
Uncle, my father said I should come and tell you that Auntie Paulina arrested Auntie Elizabeth with some army people.
Now?
Yes. They have taken her away after several punishments in our house.
Is that why you are sounding like this? Eh? Don't worry. They will teach her a very good lesson that will make that her stupid brain to calm down. What do you mean, madam?
Uncle, let us go.
I'm coming.
Mama, this thing is getting out of hand though.
They have not seen anything yet. However they want it, anyhow they want it, we will give it to them. I want them to punish her very, very well. Okay, it is now our turn. They must punish her. Hey, how do you go no moment?
No,
punish her.
Mama.
No fear. Mama again.
Wait. So they took her away without telling you where they were taking her to?
The army people did not even allow us to talk.
And Paulina went with them?
Yes, she came with them. She was the one that brought them and also went back with them also.
Nanyi Boniface, I hope you see the extent at which your daughter is going. Nanyi Boniface.
Calm down, madam. Calm down, eh? We will take care of this. I promise you. We will take care of this.
Why is all this happening to our family?
God forbid. The devil is a liar.
Boniface, you have to call your daughter and tell her to bring my daughter back as soon as possible.
The problem is she's not even picking my calls. Huh? She's not taking my calls. That's the crux of the matter.
Let nothing happen to Sister Elizabeth, though.
Absolutely
nothing will happen to my daughter. Nanyi, nothing will happen to my daughter. If anything happens to my daughter, in the next 30 minutes, if I do not see my daughter, Nanyi Boniface, you have me to contend with.
Calm down.
Yes.
Mama, the truth is, Auntie Paulina is taking this whole thing too far. She is.
I'm telling you. Police, army.
Nanyi, you are singing. Huh? You are singing. This one is song. I want my daughter back. Nanyi Boniface. Nanyi Boniface. 30 minutes. Nanyi Boniface, 30 minutes is what I get for you.
Call her.
Hello, Ebere.
Hello, Peace.
What is happening? What's going on there? What's the meaning of this video I'm seeing?
Can you imagine? Auntie Paulina brought in some military men and arrested Sister Elizabeth.
What? When did that happen?
This afternoon.
Oh my God. So Auntie Posh just brought in military men to him late Sister Elizabeth just like that?
Yes, so, and the worst is, they took her away. And right now, nobody knows where they have taken her to.
Where is Auntie Posh now?
She left with them.
This is not funny at all. Auntie Posh has beaten more than she can chew.
This was exact word I used for her father. I told her father that the battle line has been drawn. And you see this fight, we will all fight it to finish.
You know what? After this call, I'll start it up here with Geraldine.
Good. Have no mercy on her. We are solidly behind you.
Alright, talk to you later.
What nonsense.
Are you tired? Are you tired? You come to my house. Are you tired? What is your problem? I'm holding you now. What did I do? I'm mashed down. Come here.
I've crossed my path. You have crossed the boundary, sister. I must deal with you. You have got more than you can chew.
So, you're laughing, smiling, happy, and watching the video, right?
Honestly, I'm not happy.
You're not happy. You're not happy. And I'm sure that you also deny that you're not happy, that you weren't smiling. Right? Idiot! Give me that phone. What nonsense! I saw you watching your screen!
But that cannot happen. I was in this game before you enter. I am Mama J. After me, Nami. I must show you. Nami be the master. Face me, I face you. One on one, I no go run. Do me, I do you. One on one, now you go cry. The war is just starting. I never start at all. If you see my true color, the malo number the master. Face me, I face you. One on one, I no go run. Do me, I do you. One on one, now you go cry. Best cousins, sisters, don't to what's their name? Yeah. No mercy, we are no because of what you are. No mercy, we are no more blood. Because of what?
Cheregodo, you mean Peace walked into this place, collected the phone I bought for you with my hard-earned money, and smashed it on the floor? What happened? I mean, how did it happen?
I was sitting here, watching the video you posted online. When she walked in and said I'm watching the video, laughing, and before I could talk, she grabbed the phone and smashed it on the ground.
What happened? No, you left her to go scot-free. It
was there between us. I gave it to her the way she wanted it.
Oh, that's good. You know what? Go inside, get me my car keys. Be fast, don't waste my time. Just me go do. Eh? The phone I bought how many months ago? Geraldine!
sorry. Baba, where are you going?
I'm going to the palace to officially report this matter to the king before it gets out of hand.
That's a very good one.
There's nothing good about it, Papa. Don't go anywhere.
Huh?
You heard me.
Why?
Because there's no need. I don't want any other person to hear about this. Let it be between us.
But, sister, don't you think the king will settle this matter once and for all?
I don't care. Please. Paulina believes that by bringing in military men to maltreat me, everything will be fine because she knows some military men. That's why she brought them to maltreat me, isn't it? Don't worry. For this singular act of hers, she'll pay dearly for this.
Elizabeth, I will not say anything about this matter again.
Papa, don't say anything. It is not necessary. Yes.
Elizabeth.
Mama.
Are you taking the correct decision?
Yes.
But sister, don't you think that...
Please, enough.
Oh.
Are you stupid or something? Does it look like I came here to see your madam? Will you open that gate?
Anayo! Who is that?
Now that's where they come here before.
Don't open that gate.
My small madam said I should open the gate for you, so go.
Yeah? Are you a madman? Or is something wrong with you upstairs? I said you should open the gates.
Stay here now. When you're done, you go. When you're tired, you go.
What in God's name is wrong? Can you... Listen, I'm not here to see your madam. Open these gates!
Mama JJ. Mama JJ. Mama JJ. Mama JJ.
Can I at least sit down?
Say whatever you want to say.
Tubem, I have something important to discuss.
You can still say it standing.
Tubem, please. Why are you being so hard? What wrong have I done? Please, hear me out at least.
Okay, fine. Sit. Just sit. Sit.
Tubem, I know I wronged you. I know I cheated on you, I deceived you, I was unfaithful to you, I did so many things to you. All I'm asking is that you find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please, I'm deeply sorry.
Where exactly will I find that place in my heart to forgive you? The heart that is shattered already. You know you're so shameless. You just open your mouth and say bullshit and you expect me to sit here and tell you I have forgiven you. Huh? You have the guts to come in here to ask for forgiveness after all you did to me. After deceiving me. All you do is jump from one bed to another. Jump from different hotels, visiting different men. Are you not shameless? I mean, the one that got me was just that day. It was just so clear. You told your cousin and I that you have this business partner you want to go meet, that you really want to get this deal, and I was there praying to God Almighty to let you get that deal. We drove you to Everest Hotel. You came back to the house and told us, he told you to come back so you can sign the deal. You went back to see that dude and you slept with him. He paid you 1 million naira. Of course, I heard everything. Sleeping with different Yahoo boys. Are you not shameless? Who knows if they have taken what makes you a woman? You're coming here to tell me you're sorry.
I beg your pardon.
Please. What do you want? What do you have to say? What do you have to say? If you're done, just kindly stand up and leave my house. At least I listened to you. I gave you a seat. Oh, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Just say whatever you want to say. Don't touch me. When you're done, just get out of my house. Nonsense.
Jimmy, please, I know I wronged you, but everything I did, I didn't do them intentionally. We are all humans. We make mistakes. Even you. I mean, you won't tell me that since we crossed paths, you haven't met with another woman.
Oh, really? You think we live the same kind of life? Is that what you think? Huh? If I have ever slept with another woman since I started dating you, let me not see anything good in life. You think we live the same kind of life? My friend, get out of my house.
I said that because we are all humans. We make mistakes and I said I'm sorry.
Leave my house. Look, I don't want to hit you. Kindly leave my house. Leave my house!
Are you indirectly asking me to leave?
Oh yes. Are you deaf? Are you deaf?
You're asking me to leave a property I paid for.
Oh, of course I haven't forgotten. It's a good thing you just said it now. Now, we spent 10 million naira in this house, including the rent and the properties. I can remember vividly that we sent 3 million naira to the lawyer and 7 million naira we withdrew for properties. And of course, we didn't even spend up to 7 million. That is fine. Now, give me your account details. Let me send the money to you. I'm getting money from government contract. Government gives me, of course, I get money from furnishing houses for people, not knowing she goes about sleeping with men. Give me the account number, let me make the transfer. Any bloody transfer you go from sleeping with different men.
Really? So what do we have here? Done. So you see, I sent you 200K.
My baby. Thank you.
You're welcome. So tell me, when next am I seeing you?
Anytime you want, just tell me. I'll be right here beside you.
Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure.
Come here. Okay, so I'll give you a call, alright?
Baby, I can't really thank you enough how you always come through for me.
Oh, well, I was created to always come through for you. Like I said, I'll give you a call, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
See you.
No, not to worry. I'll see you out.
Okay, baby. Jackie.
Hey. Alright, see you. Take good care of yourself, okay? Woohoo! I feel good. Woo! I knew that I would now. Oh my God.
The cash madam, the cash madam.
I'm not against you giving your boyfriend money, but girl, you have to be very careful.
Okay, so what do you mean by that?
Girl, spoiling these guys with money makes them to start disrespecting you the moment he feels he has made enough. You better be careful.
Well, you and I know that Dubaim is different.
You never can tell. Just be careful. That's the advice.
Okay. Noted. But girl, that guy is sweet. Hey, my goodness.
Like, I can see you're gone.
What do you mean I'm gone?
You're gone.
Babes, it was just 200,000 naira I gave to him. It's not like I gave him millions of naira.
Okay, we now hustle for money to use it to settle this man.
Babe, na me hustle the money. Na me work am. Na my body I take work am. Who I want give, I go give am to. And for the fact say this boy is sweet, I go dash am my own money.
So, wait. Posh, you don't buy men too?
My sister, I have the money. Let me buy it, but I like this one. The boy is sweet. Babe, they don't jack you like this before. Ah! Oh my God!
No, why I don't finish it?
My sister, I finished me. Not be say you talk out.
It's actually fine.
Yeah, you do? You like it?
I like it.
Okay, so what I talk to you about, I have decided to make it 2 million naira for your business.
Baby.
What do you say? That wasn't romantic at all.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Bless you.
You're welcome.
So they finally gave you the contract?
Yes, they awarded the contract to me.
Nice!
Stop!
Thank you.
What about the 2 million naira I gave you to start up your business?
2 million. Add 2 million to 10 million. 12 million. Give me account details. Let me send it to you. Call your account details.
You'll hear from me.
Walangida no be wako cha cha, no be wako. Kaki no be leather at all, no be leather. Enjoyment today, Opana Rugi tomorrow, Opana Rugi. Walangida no be wako cha cha, no be wako. Kaki no be leather at all, mama.
Do you know why I'm turning you down?
No.
Because men are used to breaking women's heart.
Well, I'm different.
Funny thing is, I've heard that like 1,000,000 times, so it sounds like a poem to me.
Well, I'm not trying to say much for you to believe me, but one thing I know for sure is once you're good to me, once you're real to me, once you give me the same vibe I give to you, then I don't take time in reciprocating that, even being very loyal. So if you're like that to me, then we can go places together.
And what if you act differently?
You can do anything you wish. You can walk away. You can do anything that can actually make you happy. But I'm very certain that I got you from my heart.
All right. Let's go. Stop looking at me like that. In fact, let's just go.
In addition to this, I have a surprise birthday gift.
Oh my freaking goodness!
Calm down.
I'm calm. Breathe in.
Out. In. Out. Good. You know you're my blood.
Yes.
So dear to my heart.
Oh.
You see this house? And your name for your birthday?
Wow. Elizabeth, stop now. Stop now! Stop!
Oh, wait, I want chocolate.
Double celebration. Double.
Wait, DJ! What did I hear? Who they? Come.
You're not looking good. What happened?
I'm alright.
So how did it go? The place you went to?
It was fine.
But you're not.
Please, Geraldine. Can you just let me be? We'll talk later.
Sure, come.
Okwasinu kochalacha andige chwechu. Immature feda will ever remain pure. But your own case is different, yeah. You choose to rub yourself in the mud. Akwana pity, ichira wego yiniro. Balangida no be wako chacha, no be wako. Kaki no be leda hata, no be leda. Enjoyment today. Mama J J J, Mama J J J, Mama J J J, Mama J J J. This is hook up, hook up. Mama J and her guest on the hookah. Oh my God, sweet, sweet, beautiful girls. Oh, Mama J girls, classic girls, you're ready for hookah. Oh Mama J, to avoid problems. Push baby, baby, push baby, 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 push baby, baby, push baby, baby, baby. guess you're ready for the hookah. The men are waiting for you.
What did you tell Dixon about me? Is that the reason you double-crossed me?
I said, answer the question, bitch. What did you tell him about me?
Exactly what you heard.
Really? Really? Oh, you got some guts, I see. You try to hold my hand? The next time you try that, I will kill you. I will strangulate you to not try me again. You heard me, right?
That hand better not touch me.
Jenny, what is just your problem? Why can't you just mind your business? Listen and listen very good. The next time you try that, we will show you the stuff we are made of. Are you mad?
Is someone talking?
Oh yes, I'm talking.
Can you imagine?
Wait.
This little rat.
Sorry. Did anybody say something? Did you hear anything? No, who talk? Like, anybody did talk. See my darling. When people, like adults like us, are talking, children like you, like kids, should not put their mouths. No, there is time for everything, obviously. Girl, what do you even think you two can do to us?
You want to try? Do you really want to try?
Is that a question?
No need. You don't have to talk to these local bitches. Listen, I won't have to warn you again. And don't try to double cross me next time.
This is the last one.
Don't try to
And
double
don't do
cross me
that.
next time.
Don't push me. Don't even
no.
dare. Don't dare you.
It's okay.
You are not mad. You will not try to push me.
I believe you're not talking to me.
Let's have it.
I believe you're not talking to me.
It's okay. It's okay. Let them be. Please drive off.
Uncle. Hey. Okay, you have to manage this. Manage this people. Oh, I know I should have come with drink. Okay. Biko, manage me the ways.
This girl is beautiful.
Don't need for this. Use drinks for the important people.
Important. Uncle, everybody is important. Yes, everybody is important.
Hey. Beautiful card.
Okay. You'll be among my shipping.
Are you serious? That's nice.
Where is your husband from?
Mama is from Osuka in Enugu.
What is his name?
His name is just Mark.
He's like he likes going to Jos.
Just Mark from Osuka in Enugu.
Okay.
Yes?
Has Auntie Paulina went back?
Oh yes, she has gone back to the city.
Okay, in that case, I will travel to the city to see her.
In fact, there is no need going to the city to see her. You can call her on phone. Why would you bother yourself traveling all the way to the city?
No, don't worry. If you can go to the city, it is better. It shows more respect than calling her on phone. You got to go. All right. Your husband is calling.
Maybe check.
He's calling me.
Yeah. Okay, you take it. This is beautiful. Why don't you bring something for her to? What would you care to take?
Take
care of
Uncle, don't worry, I'm okay.
Uncle, I'm good.
You're good.
Please, don't be offended. But if that girl is going to be in your Ashebi group, no, I won't be part of it. If she's in, I am out. If she's out, I will be in. Please think about it and get back to me. Ebere, Oge is your sister. Did you say my sister? My sister, my foot. That girl is not my sister. Don't say that. Don't say that again. She is your sister. And let me tell you something. That your sister and her sister are quarreling shouldn't affect you guys. What are you even saying? You're speaking as if you did not hear what that girl did in our house. She had the guts to fight our mother and even went to the extent of bringing some military men that nearly killed my sister. And you stand here to tell me she is my sister? No!
Where were she when all these things were happening? See, like I said before, if she's going to be in your Ashebi, I won't be part of it. Please, no offense. Okay. I heard you. Thank you. Congratulations. It's very.
Thank you, Jared.
How are you, Jared?
Oh, I'm fine, thank you. Oh gosh.
Where's Posh?
Let me go.
Okay.
Please too.
Did you later get that stuff? Oh my god. I forgot. You see, I told you. Okay, you should have reminded me since now. That's true. So what are we going to do now? We'll pick it up on our way now. When we are leaving, we'll pick it up. Okay. That's fine.
Poshy, poshy.
The posh baby.
Poshilo.
Posh baby.
Poshilo.
The baby, the posh.
You're welcome, girls.
Thank you.
Girl, you don't look bright at all. What is it?
Tupem finally broke up with me.
What? After everything?
Oh, wow. Wait. You mean Dubem actually opened his mouth to tell you it's over between you both?
I needed to see how proudly he spoke to me. The idiot actually had the guts to tell me to send my account number to him, that he was going to pay back everything I gave to him, including the money for the business and for the house.
Dubem said that to you?
Yeah, you remember I actually predicted that to you. I told you earlier that he was going to do it. These guys cannot be trusted. Not for once.
Okay, so tell us what happened. Did he transfer the money?
Not yet. But I told him I was going to send my account number to him later. So...
Yeah, you have to send that account number and get your money back as a matter of fact. ASAP. Yeah. But that's by the way. You shouldn't let that boy put you in that mood now. Ah, babes. Dubem's matter is a chicken change now. That boy is a rat. Shouldn't be making you be in this kind of mood. Come of it, girl.
Okay.
Girl, we saw what you posted online.
The video.
Wow, yes, tell us.
We want to hear it. What's poppin'?
Okay, wait, bring it low, Let's take it easy. It's one at a time, right? Okay. Anyway, I wouldn't know what's popping because the idiot hasn't returned to the city yet.
Okay. You mean they later released her or something?
Well, she was released the next day, but not after I dealt with her.
Oh, yeah?
Imagine the idiot had the impetus, the effrontery, the audacity to slap my own mother.
Eh? No, she didn't do that.
It's again.
Oh my God.
I said this woman hits my own mother. But trust me, I know how to handle cases like that. You see the slap they gave to her. In the next 2 months, you will see the ring. You know, say army slap different from police slap. Babes, I don't deal with police. I deal with the army. If you see the torture they gave to this woman, she will remember me in the next decade, even in her next life to come.
As you should be.
I'm
proud of you.
Because
I am super proud
even
of
me,
you.
I am proud of myself.
I am sure your mother will.
She is more than proud. How come you guys weren't offered anything to drink? You mean Geraldine? No, what are you saying? It's a leaf Guinea. We need to celebrate. Oh, this calls for celebration. Let me get something from this. No, get it, baby. I'm getting started with her. Next one, baby.
That's why you are called Poshito.
I don't joke.
It's her audacity for me. Imagine the local farm. Elizabeth. Eliza. Is that someone?
You don't even know how to pronounce Elizabeth.
Alright. Girl. Eliza.
You girls are not nice. Now Eliza had the guns to slap my own mama. Slap Mama Posh. Mama Posh.
Wow.
And there's the card.
Really? Keep it there.
Okay. The traditional marriage will be on 30th, ending of the month.
I am so happy for you.
Honestly, you're such a lucky girl.
Thank you.
Jama, you didn't hear return home?
I wasn't around. I traveled to see my husband. Though when I came back, they told me you came. But I came back the same day you left.
So tell me, how is your Mr. Handsome doing?
And you must believe me, he is bouncing very well.
Definitely, I'm going to be part of your schedule.
Sure, you will.
Good to hear. Congratulations.
Thank you. Auntie, I want to use one stone and key 2 beds at once.
Which is?
It's about you and Posh. Auntie, I don't need to start asking you what the problem is all about. I mean, you are the eldest. If you want peace to reign, it will.
Ijama, that's a lie. See, the Auntie Posh you know before is not the same Posh you're seeing now. Yes.
Ijama, you talk as if your father didn't inform you what she did to me at the village. How she brought in military men that nearly killed me.
Auntie, I heard. And I saw it on net.
Thank God you said on net. So, someone that does that kind of a thing to you, do you think he or she have a good intention towards you?
No, I never said so. But, well, I heard she posted it. But I was very angry.
I am preparing for a payback. I will execute it. The only way I will not go further is if I drop dead.
Auntie, we are one blood. Can we just embrace peace?
Embrace peace with someone who wants peace.
Ijoma, you're talking as if you don't know Lizzie J again. Peace ambassador. Have you forgotten so soon? Have you forgotten so soon? Their condition in the village before I brought Posh to the city. Was she?
Sister, you buy Christmas clothes for us, so.
That's not gonna.
Every year, can I go to get Christmas clothes? Eh? Last year I bought you Christmas clothes. This year you're not even ashamed to. You are supposed to be telling me, sister, I've made some money, let me buy you Christmas clothes.
I don't have money now.
You don't have money, but you have a boyfriend.
I say, boyfriend.
Yeah, Geraldine. You think I don't see you and that shoemaker, the one that has a shop at Ogbete Junction? Come on, I see you under the tree with him every day. Go and meet him, tell him to give you money to buy Christmas clothes. You think I don't know?
Sister, are you encouraging us to have a boyfriend?
No, I am not encouraging you to have a boyfriend. You think I don't know your own paro? Because I've not told you, Abi. Two of you go and meet your boyfriends to give you money to buy Christmas clothes.
There's no boyfriend in the kingdom of God.
It's the kingdom of God. Did I hear you say kingdom of God? You that I know. Come on, keep quiet. Meet your boyfriends to give you money so that you buy Christmas clothes. Welcome. Mama Paulina. Happy Christmas. Hey. Uncle, happy Christmas. How are you people? No need of asking how you are. You are looking good. How are you people? We are fine. Don't worry. Let's go inside the house. Let me come first. Don't worry. I'm escorting you.
Hey! Take care.
Sister,
Ifugwa. Eh? Hey, wo.
Hey.
Eh?
Hey!
Hey!
Hey! I didn't buy anything, no. I left in a hurry. So please use this. This is good. Christmas, sister. Then you get something for the children.
Thank you very much.
He said it's for Christmas, right? Not for you alone. For the children and the wife. Bring it out.
Jadu?
May multiply it for you.
God will bless you continually. Yes. It shall be well with you.
Hey, Uncle, for you, please.
Give me that. Give me that.
Why are you fighting now, Papa?
It's my money.
For you. For me? Hey! Thank you. May God bless and replenish it for you.
Amen.
Amen.
Paulina, you're not a big girl now, so take this.
Chimo.
Okay, Geraldine, please come.
Papa want that.
Oh yeah, for you and for you.
Bring, let me keep it. I'm your other sister. Bring your own. I'm your mother. Look where I go. Hey, Eggy, where? I'm going to buy Mary Kay powder. Mary Kay powder, I get there. Stop kissing money.
Hey, Paulina, you'll not kill me. Hey, Uncle. So let me come and see you people before I go back to the city. Though I'll be leaving next tomorrow.
When will you come back again?
Anytime I visit the village, I must come and see you.
Please do. Make it even one week.
As soon as possible. Bring more of this.
It's all right. You're too fine.
Hey.
Paulina.
Bring more of this.
I'll be on my way. Yes.
Auntie, people, there's something I want to discuss with you. It's very important.
Very important. Okay, let's go to the garden.
Okay, let me carry your bag. Safe journey. Thank you. Mama, while I'm sitting here.
You remember what I told you, Make it as soon as possible.
Mama, I want to come city girl. City girl.
are you?
Hi.
Good afternoon. How are you? Please sit down. Thank you. I hope it wasn't stressful coming down here. No. Oh, yeah? You're welcome.
Thank you.
How was your journey?
Are you sure this thing hasn't entered? Look at the way you're looking all big. Like, wait, what is going on?
Nothing has entered.
Are you sure?
Ijoma, are you sure?
Nothing. Oh, Jaradine.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Look at you. You're looking more big.
Thanks, Erika.
I see. The only thing she does is to eat my food. Don't mind her.
If she doesn't eat your food, who then?
Well, that's true. The last time I was in the village, they said you went to see your husband.
Yes. I went to see him to know how he's preparing.
And I guess the date is fast approaching.
Yes.
Look at her smiling. Let's take it easy.
But you still hold me one secret though. I'm still waiting for you to tell me. Because this your tummy, you used to have a flat tummy. What happened?
If I have it, I'll let you know. Why would I be hiding it from you? You know my
Auntie Joma, we have egusi, we have banga, we have bitter leaf, we have rice. Which one do you prefer?
I think I'll go for rice. But give me a little time. No. Okay. So?
Wine. Everywhere ofe. Onubo. Or ha egusi. You choose rice.
Yes, no.
I
don't want to get fat.
Don't want to get rice is carbohydrate, so you will still get fat. Raise one knee.
Auntie.
Pico, so tell me, how are you guys preparing?
We're good. We're just good.